Hi, in this video, I'm going to cover how do we create a powerful cover letter in less than 5 minutes of your time, customized to a specific job description. For this, I'm going to use a tool that I myself built, and the name of this tool is meracareer.io. Okay, let's get started. So once you go to meracareer.io, you will see a button here at the top right corner called as Get Started. Once you click on this button, you would be able to go to this page in which you can either sign in if you already have an account, and if you don't, you can click on sign up for free, and for the first time sign up you will get free 10 credits to try all the AI products. So let me just quickly sign in. Okay, so once you sign in, you will see a screen which will look like this. You can either click on cover letter AI at this panel on the left side of things, or you can click on create cover letter that is coming at the center of this screen. So clicking on either of these places will take you to a screen which will look something like this. Here you can either see all the cover letters that you have created in the past, or you can just simply click on generate cover letter. Okay, once you click on this cover letter, you will see this pop up in which you can give a title to this. Let me just quickly first copy a job description that I have just found here on LinkedIn. Let me just copy it from this job summary part and take it all the way till qualification, till here. Cool. And this position is for Standard Chartered India, Associate Director and Product Manager. Let me just put it as product, give it a name, Product Manager, Standard Chartered. Okay, let's get started. And here you can either fetch an existing resume that you may have created using meracareer.io. For example, if I click on this, it will give me all the resumes that I have created in the past using this tool. Or you can simply click on upload resume, and you can upload the existing resume that you have not created using this tool. Okay, and once you do this, you will see an option to choose between fresher and professional. If you are a fresher, you can choose fresher. If you are a professional, you can just click on professional, and you can also choose the purpose. Either you can create a cover letter for higher education, or you can create the cover letter for job application. So in this case, I'm going to choose job application. I'm going to paste the cover letter that I had copied from the LinkedIn job portal, and then I'm going to click on generate cover letter. And once we do that, it will use AI to create a powerful cover letter which will be customized to the job description. Let's wait for a few seconds and then see how does the cover letter look like. All right, the cover letter is right here. So if you can see on the panel that is on the right side, you can see the cover letter mentioned here. Let me just quickly remove my personal information from here. Okay, so if you see here, I can just click on maybe any part of this cover letter first, and I can pick and choose things around. That's completely fine. Or and let me just read and see exactly how does this cover letter look like. Okay, first it says, I'm writing to express my genuine interest in the product manager XYZ role on the job portal. Okay, this we can definitely change and say it as LinkedIn. Okay, see what happens is when you are creating a resume, when you say that you have read the resume, you have read the job description and it is specifically for the position that you have put across at some certain place, people value that because they know that you have put in an effort in creating a customized cover letter for the role that you are specifically targeting, and that shows that this role means a lot for you. You are serious about getting through in this position. Okay, then it says that after working for so and so time in fintech sector, now I'm eager to pivot towards the managed investment loan where I can leverage my expertise, all of those things. Okay, then here it is talking about my current experience at Axis Bank. I'm doing this. Then it says to prepare for this transition, I have done XYZ. Then it says that I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my experience can bring a fresh perspective to your team. Wow, right? Perfectly paced cover letter. It starts with you mentioning that you have read the job description and you're applying because you think that you are a good fit. Then you talk about why are you a good fit, then how are you going to manage this transition, and then a very warm closure to the conversation. Okay, so if you want to make some changes in it, you can definitely make it, but at the same time you can just, if you think that this cover letter is perfectly fine, you can just copy, you can just save it, you can download this cover letter in PDF format by just clicking on this download button. like this. Okay, once you click on download button, it will download the cover letter, and you can just open this cover letter and then just review it for the formatting and everything, which looks perfectly fine to me. And then you can apply for the job opportunity that you want to apply using this cover letter. Okay, see how easy it was. It literally took less than around close to 3 minutes for us to create this cover letter. So before you apply for an important role where you want to get hired, use this tool and create a customized cover letter, and then only hit the apply button. I wish you all the very best for your next job search.